Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home.
All garden enthusiasts out there, buckle up. Today, we're revealing the 7 dynamite tools that your garden shed simply cannot be without. Whether you're a sprouting green thumb or a sagacious garden guru, these tools are the secret sauce to your thriving garden. They don't just make your task a breeze, but also turn your plants into absolute showstoppers. Pruning, watering, hauling, you name it, these tools have got you covered. So, put on your snazziest gardening gloves and let's plunge into our list of indispensable gardening gizmos. First up, the humble spade, a tool with more uses than you might think. This trusty companion isn't just for digging holes, it's also perfect for shifting soil, making it easier to plant and relocate your favorite blooms. And let's not forget the essential role it plays in breaking up hard ground. Its versatility and importance cannot be overstated. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, the spade is an absolute must. Truly, a good spade is the backbone of any garden shed. Next, we have the pruning shears, a gardener's best friend. Pruning shears are not just for snipping fresh flowers, they're essential for trimming plants back, keeping them healthy and promoting growth. Dead branches? No problem. Pruning shears can handle those too, helping to prevent disease from spreading. And let's not forget shaping shrubs. With a good pair of shears, you can turn a bushy mess into a work of art. Remember, a well-pruned garden is a healthy garden. Third on our list is the garden fork, a tool that's as tough as it is useful. Known for its brute strength, the garden fork plays an essential role in breaking up hard soil and compost. Its sturdy tines can easily penetrate the toughest ground, making it ideal for preparing your garden beds for planting. But that's not all. This versatile tool is equally adept at aerating lawns, creating small pockets that allow air, water and nutrients to reach the grass roots more effectively. So don't underestimate the power of a good garden fork. Our fourth tool is the hose with an adjustable nozzle, the lifeline of any garden. This versatile tool is not just for watering your plants. With a twist of the nozzle, you can adjust the water pressure for different tasks. A gentle mist for delicate seedlings, a stronger stream for washing off your tools, or even a powerful spray to keep those pesky pests at bay. Remember, the hose isn't just a tool, it's your garden's best friend. Keep in mind, a well-watered garden is a happy garden. Finally, we have the rake, wheelbarrow and gardening gloves, 3 tools that round out our list. Let's delve into why these are a vital part of your gardening ensemble. First off, the rake. This is no ordinary household tool, no. It's the unsung hero of the garden, tirelessly raking up leaves, twigs and other debris. It helps keep your garden tidy and your soil free from clutter, making it easier for your plants to grow. Plus, it's a great way to get a little arm workout in. Next up, the wheelbarrow. This is your garden's workhorse. It's perfect for those heavy-duty tasks like moving soil, compost or heavy pots. Imagine having to lug around bags of compost or soil on your own. Not a pleasant thought, right? That's where the trusty wheelbarrow comes in. It's a back-saving tool that makes your gardening tasks significantly less strenuous. And last but certainly not least, we have the gardening gloves. These are your trusty sidekicks, always there to protect your hands from thorns, splinters and dirt. They also provide a better grip on your tools and plants, making your gardening tasks safer and more efficient. With these tools in your shed, you're well on your way to a thriving garden. So there we have it, the 7 must-have tools for your garden shed. Let's do a quick recap. The sturdy spade, your go-to for digging and lifting soil. The sharp pruning shears, perfect for trimming and shaping your plants. The versatile garden fork, a true multitasker for turning soil, aerating lawns and breaking up hard ground. Don't forget the hose with an adjustable nozzle, a vital tool for keeping your garden hydrated and healthy. And of course, the trio of the rake, wheelbarrow and gardening gloves, essential for cleanup, transport and protection. These are not just tools, they're your companions in the journey of gardening, each with a unique role to play. A well-stocked garden shed is more than a storage space. It's a treasure trove for a gardener, holding the keys to a flourishing garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a green thumb in training, these tools will help you cultivate a garden to be proud of. Happy gardening!